This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create groups on Uber Eats. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Ordering food for a group of friends can be a hassle, but why manage it in a group when you can do it on the Uber Eats app? Ensure everyone gets what they want by placing a group order together. So how to do it? It's very simple. So if you want to create groups on your Uber Eats apps, it's very simple. You can follow this step by step in this video. So you can open your apps. Now you can go to setting by tapping on the bottom right here. From here, you can see there is an option saved groups. You can just choose on that. Actually, it's a new feature from Uber Eats. You can just choose on that. And from here, you can make group travel and meals easy. You can create groups to coordinate rides and order with ease, so you can spend less time planning and more time having fun. You can place group order, let people add their own items, simplify rides, book for the group specific members, split the bill, pay together or individually in the app. Now you can just choose on create groups. You can name your group. After you name your group, you can choose on create group. Now your group is ready. You can add people. You can give your QR code, or you can copy the link and send it to your friends so they can join to the group. And in here, you can see like start a group orders, book ride for groups. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create groups on Uber Eats. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.